Hello, welcome back to Red a Turd Art. Now, today's video is all about New Year's Eve. Just a heads up, if you're short on time and you haven't got time to watch the whole video, click on the link down below or in the iCards and it will show you all the activities and all the ideas in one place, and you can just pick and choose the ones that you're interested in. I'm a little bit out of breath, don't know why. Now, the thing about New Year's Eve is that you need to make it special to you. There's a lot of pressure today to have the best party, the biggest fun, the most amazing day or evening. But actually, I don't think that's true. I think you just need to do something small to recognize that the new year's coming and make it as special or as unspecial as you want. No pressure. However, if you do want to do something and you want some activity ideas, keep watching. So we have I think 13 sections for you to look at, and you just pick and choose the ones that you want to do first. So to begin with, this is for the little ones. We have some bubble ones and some party poppers. Now these party poppers are super easy to make. They're not noisy, they're low tech. The bubble ones are so easy to make. So if you've got young children and you want to do a little something with them, I think the star bubble ones are just a ticket. And I think the party poppers are super fun, and you can pop some little pom-poms with it, or even some marshmallows or something, although they might scrabble after them and try and eat them. So that's just to kick off the activities. Next, we have my favorite printable of the whole countdown series. It's a countdown clock. If you remember last year, I showed you a little video of how to assemble the countdown clock. It's really easy. You can decorate it as much or as little as you like, and it's a great way to count in the new year. You pull each tab to come round at the full circle to 12 o'clock. The great thing about the countdown clock is that you can start it at 10 in the morning. That's if you want to finish at 10 p.m. You can use it in half-hour intervals. So if you want to finish by 6 o'clock, so the younger kids can go to bed, that's great. So really, again, you can really adapt it to how you want to use it, and it's a free printable, and it's got one with Happy New Year, one with 2019. There's a simple one, there's a mandala version that Hattie fans created, and also there's some really cute little paper wristwatches that you can make that also help you count down to the new year. So that's 3 different printables to choose from. Really good, really lovely. One of my favorite crafts. Sorry. So next up, we have some crafts that will help you decorate for the new year. So either, I suggest, you could make some lovely kirigami paper stars. I think they look amazing. They have this little 3D effect. They're quite, I wouldn't say they're tricky, but they are easy, but like once you've got the hang of them, they're really easy. But the first time you make them, there's one little fold that you might get a bit confused by. So take your time, look at them closely, but do have a go because they do look great. If you don't want to decorate with stars, then I suggest you take a look at our garland. It's made out of jewels, really nice. And what's even more special about this garland is that it's a gratitude and a wish garland. So not only do you make these lovely little jewels to hang on your mantelpiece or your bedroom, you can also add your wishes and dreams. You can reflect on the year gone by. So I think it's a really nice tool to kind of, think about life, if that makes sense. So really nice, really sweet. And next on my list, we have a time capsule. Oh look, we have my cat. I hope her tail's not in the way. So the time capsule is something that we've done before in the years gone past. I love the time capsule because it's literally something that you can do with any age group. You can make it with young kids, you can do it with old kids. It's a lovely way to review the year, to look at family life, to look at the holidays, your friends, and it's just fun. So basically you take a jar, pop in your messages, close it, job done. But I've got more information on that, again, in the links down below. So I hope you like the time capsule idea. The next one is actually one of my favorites. I said I had a favorite, but maybe I have 2 favorites. Maybe I have 3 favorites. I've got a cat as well. The next one is the art calendar. So again, it's a free printable with some little drawing prompts that will hopefully help you complete the calendar. And you can spend a good hour or 10 minutes, it just depends on how much time you've got or how much time you want to spend, adding details to this calendar. You know, get creative, make it a collage, use different materials, use pom-poms, use washi tape, use watercolors, use pencils, use pens, whatever you want to do. And I love this calendar because not only is it a fun thing to do and it's practical, but once you've done it, you can give it to Granny and Grandpa. I know they'd love it. Really nice. It's a great keepsake. And again, I've got free printable for you to use. I think the cat definitely wants to be in the video, doesn't she? On a similar vein, you can then also make some thank you cards. So especially if you're staying up till midnight, the day can drag on. Believe me, it seems like an exciting thing to do to stay up till midnight, but it can get a little bit boring unless you're watching movies all day, but even that can be boring, right? So I recommend that you write some thank you cards, especially if you've got some nice Christmas presents and you still need to do your thank you card writing anyway. So again, we have a nice printable made by Hattie Fan. This one's a jewel one again, so very similar to the Garland, but we also have some other ideas for you, some penguins and some snowmen. Some of the cards are really quick and easy to make so that you can then spend the time writing and thanking relevant parties. So that's really good. Next, it's time for, I'm not sure if you can see this properly actually, because I haven't checked the camera setup, but party hearts. We have some of these, we have some colour your own, and we also have some party crowns. So again, you've got a choice of things to make. Normally I put a pom-pom at the end of this, but it kind of fell off. I didn't make the string long enough, but pom-pom would look great at the end of this party hat. And you know, you can make it in any colours by colouring them in yourself, that kind of thing. So I think party hat's great to get you into that mood. We then have a great game that Hattie Fans created. It's a fortune Teletris Gaelic globe. That sounds a bit of a mouthful. If you've seen the Triscale, I think that's how you pronounce them, paper balls that Hattie Fans made, they are amazing. They look so good, are surprisingly easy to make. You know, you might want an adult to help a little bit, but super, super fun. So you print them out, assemble them, and then you roll it like a fortune teller dice or die with different questions and predictions for the future. So I think that's a fun game and activity to do on New Year's Eve for sure. Next on my list, I keep having to look because it's such a long list, is a photo booth. So if you've made your party hats, why not also print out our free photo booth accessories? So you print them out, cut them out, stick them on a stick, and take some fun photos. Those fun photos would be great for your time capsule, would also work really well for your thank you cards. So, you know, that's a 2-for-1 there if you want. So I think photo booth photos are always super, super fun. Everybody likes a photo booth, and again, the printable's free. Next, we are thinking of our friends. So how about some little friendship gifts to ring in the new year? So when you see them come 2019, you've got a little gift to give them and wish them a happy new year. Now, we thought long and hard about what this best gift could be. Of course, there's lots of things like friendship bracelets that you can make, but both Hattie Fan and I thought that a bookmark would be the appropriate thing because, you know, rented up and how much we love bookmarks. So why not spend the time, get some paper out, make some bookmarks, make a smiley bookmark, an emoji bookmark, make a polar bear bookmark, a penguin bookmark, a snowman bookmark, you know where I'm going. Hattie Fan's also got some nice mittens that you can print out and colour in and add a little pom-pom to. I think that would make a really lovely and thoughtful gift for a friend that you may see in the new year. So have a go, definitely. Next on my list is some more toys. So you know the kaleidoscopes that we all love? Well, we've got 2 patterns for you. We've got an emoji party one, and we've also got a winter friends one. So 2 different patterns that you can print out and assemble. There's also a fun cutie catcher with some snowman jokes on it. I think you'd quite enjoy that too. So lots of different ideas of how to have fun with paper, play some games, and again, keep you busy till the end. Oh yes, New Year's Eve takes a long time to arrive. And then we have 2 more activities for you. One is the Guess the Tradition. So this is a post about traditions from around the world. I wrote it a few years ago with the help of my friends from around the world. And the idea is that you have to guess, well, where's the tradition from and why? So for example, which country wears red knickers on New Year's Day? And why? It's just really weird, right? So some really fun things. You know, why do they eat 12 grapes on the stroke of midnight? You know, could you maybe make some of these traditions your own? So I think it's a great post, or, you know, great way to learn about the world, and a bit of fun and some great trivia there. And then the very last activity is a review the year gone by. So review 2018, and it's a printable, and it's called All About Me. So it's got the nice 2018, it's got a picture of that you can colour in and customise to make it look like yourself, and then it's got like a fact sheet that you can fill in. And that's from Skip to My Loon. She does these every year. They look really, really good. And why don't you do them every year? So if you've got one for 2018, one for 2019, 20, 21, and then over the years you can compare what they all look like, and you can compare how things have changed. You know, maybe in 2018 you loved to play the ukulele, but by 2023 you've switched to the piano. Who knows, right? So it's a really fun printable again for you to do. And then, you know, shortly after that, it's time for Happy New Year. So yes, a bit of a waffly video, but there's so many ideas all packed in there. Like I said, just check the link out down below. Have a good browse. You know, do just have fun, relax. Don't have too high expectations. You know, it's not about the biggest party or whatever. It's just about relaxing, being with your family and friends, or even having an early night, but writing some thank you cards or decorating a little bit. So really just make New Year's Eve your own. You know, don't feel pressured to do the bestest things ever. But I do think that this list of activities is a way to recognize that there is a new year, have a little bit of fun, and, you know, create some really lovely things. So yes, enough from me. I hope you have a very happy new year, and I look forward to seeing you on the other side. Take care. Bye.